How are you?
Yes, I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good.
Oh, my pleasure. Uh, you know what? I'm just learning English by using this platform. Actually, I'm not really good at English, but
Really?
yeah, I'm a learner. What do you do in United States? Are you job or you are still a student?
I do both. I'm last year of college.
Just a flash your college. Well, and it's very nice to meet you as a learner of English. So, look, basic introduce everybody knows. Like, how are you? Where are you from? What do you do? This is really a common phenomenon, actually. So, if I ask, what is your hobby?
My hobby,
Yeah.
I really don't have one.
Okay, you don't really have on. So, how do you make fun with your friends on the weekend or any more time when you like to make fun?
Usually I would hang out with them at their home if I could.
Hmm. Do you have best friend?
Yes, I have best friends.
Oh, that sounds good. Do you go with your friends to the coffee shop?
Yes, I do.
So may I know how much a cup of coffee in United States?
Probably like $2, three,
$2.
$2 or $3. It depends on
Two
where
two.
we go.
Okay, it depends on where we go. Well, so completely depend on the which coffee shop you are going. So it's too much. $2 and $3. In my country, if I convert it, it will be 230 taka. 230 taka. It's huge. But in my country, if I go to a local tea stall, a cup of coffee is like 5 cent. 4 cent in United States dollars.
Really?
Yeah, one things I like to know: do you have rice 3 times in a day, or you don't like to have rice, or you eat another things as a
I
American?
love rice.
Rice, you like rice?
You talking about rice?
Yeah, rice. But every yeah, people just like to have eat 3 times: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But every single 3 times, do you have rice, or you do have anything out with rice?
We have a lot of. I don't really go out and eat, but we hold on. We can eat rice whenever we want,
Yeah, okay.
no matter what.
Yeah, I got it.
Is that a chicken I hear?
Yeah, chicken. Do you have chicken or anything else, or do you ever see?
Dogs, yes. We do. We have chicken, dogs, birds, ducks, cows, cats.
Yeah.
I don't know what else we have. Goose, geese.
Goose. Yeah.
We have fish.
Yeah, okay. Sounds good. You people are like to just to look after the birds, animals, just such kind of this. Do you have any work beside your study?
I do work.
What types of work it is?
I just work as a waitress for right now, trying to pay up my bills for my apartment.
Oh, you stay alone?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so that's what, you people are like to be self-employed at your early ages, but we don't care about our life. But that's why in future we have to suffer in the long run. So everybody in my country, everybody should. We people doesn't like to work at our early ages. When did you start the working in your life?
I started working when I
As
was the age of 15, actually.
Oh, when you were at the age of 15, you started the working. It was really so early. Why did you start at your early ages the working? Your family just
To
keep
be
pressure
like
or anything, or?
farming, because when I was little, I lived on a farm, and I still do kind of, but I farm. I that was part of my job.
Yep.
I would farm.
Oh, got it. So look, anyway,